Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up Ibkr account full guide. Begin by selecting the right account type and gather your ID, proof of address, and tax details. I will walk you through choosing individual versus joint accounts, explain required documents, and highlight common setup choices. Follow along as we move step by step through the online form to avoid delays and get your account ready for funding. Start verification by uploading high-quality ID and proof of address images and complete the identity questions accurately. I will explain how to fill tax residency fields and what to expect during manual review. Keep an eye on your email for requests or status updates and prepare to respond quickly to speed approval. These small details often determine whether your application is processed in days rather than weeks. After approval, fund your account using the bank transfer details provided and include the correct reference to ensure credit. I will cover currency choices, transfer methods, and tips to minimize conversion fees. Then install Trader Workstation or use the client portal and set up two-factor authentication for security. By the end, you will know how to fund, access tools, and secure your new Ibkr account for trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.